Well, here's a new video. I'm out in my shop. Of course, I got my Three Stooges menagerie going on over here. Got something new in the shop today. Right over here. Ooh, look at it. Looky, 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 looky. Nice. I got me a DeWalt sliding compound miter saw. Brand spanking new. I've cut a couple things on it. Of course, see the sawdust. There's sawdust right there. And all over this. Oh, yeah. That's what they're for. It's nice. Super, super nice. I love it. Cuts like butter. This will make precision cuts real easy now. That thing over there, that big monster right there, my 70s table saw with the router and the extensions and all that stuff, it would only go to 44 degrees angle. Couldn't get a 45 out of it, save my butt. But this will do it. It'll do them in two different directions. Now I'm going to start doing segmented pieces for bowls. Try my hand at that, see what happens. Been wanting one of these for about 5 years, and I got one today. It's primo. I love it. It's nice, nice, nice. Very nice. All right, that's it. Adios.